Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update Revid.ai settings for faster editing. So I will be on my official website, and right over here, simply we just choose the option which you want to like. I just like a short video generator. So from here you will just add your script. I will just add my script I created already. So you will just also tap on this script generator. So from here you will just pick your story style, like custom, and tell us a little bit more. So there is cat story. So you will just select the duration of 30 seconds, or if you want to maximize, you just tap to generate it, and after next you will scroll down easily, and you can just also customize options. You can choose moving AI images, or if you want to like stock videos, you will just select it. And but I will recommend it for moving AI images because it faster creating. So you will just select the generation preset. So there are some pro models. So pro models you used when you just purchase the plan of this application. And next is you will see the select voice or record yourself. So you can select your voice, or you can just record yourself. And next is you can just generate music or audio from there, and just simply tap on this generate video button. Right now I don't have this credit in here because I'm using a free plan. But if you want to generate this faster, you will just tap on it, upgrade now, and you will purchase the plan, and you will be able to full video editor access. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.